Please present your best self. Once in a year lang kayo rarampa, once a year lang kayo magpapakitang gilas. So show them what you've got, show them what VG Group is about. Ang VG Group nga talaga, lalo na yung ating mother company, yung BJG, talagang this is the true definition of bouncing back. And sa pag-bounce back natin, grabe, 10 times pang mas naging grabe yung blessings sa lahat ng companies. Season is always a special time. Alam naman natin yan. A chance to slow down, at least celebrate and reflect on the year behind us. But tonight is not about lives. Tonight is about celebrating you.
Kaya yun ang promise ko sa'yo. I want you to be happy because this is the year end. Those people who are with us tonight, maraming salamat because of your loyalty. Yun ang importante, yung loyalty. Loyalty to the company, loyalty to each and every one of us, and loyalty doon sa ating rules. Now we have to follow all the rules and regulations of the company. I hope everybody is staying with us tonight. Mag-enjoy kayo. Wala kayong magagawin. Mag-enjoy because tama yung sinabi, this is our Thanksgiving ng VG Group of Companies.
Lahat naman tayo, mahal natin yung kumpanya natin, kaya nandito tayo. So, gawin lang natin yung best natin para from the work itself, paging best employee. So yun, teamwork lang for darating na year. Huwag natin isipin yung mga ganitong award. Then, after, yung nasabi, kung anong tinanin mo for the year, yung mga ano for after the week, Thanksgiving natin.
Una is control what you can control and don't stress out on things you can't control. Yung mga bagay na hindi na natin makakontrol, huwag nyo na i-stress kasi wala na rin tayo nagagawa. So focus lang tayo sa mga bagay na makakontrol natin. Sa industry kasi natin, sobrang unpredictable.